checkmate. Yeah, your moves could be costly. Think 10 steps ahead like a boss, babe. It's checkmate. I keep it real, so back off me. I'm 10 steps ahead like a boss, babe. It's checkmate.
Hey man, say man, it's El Jefe, the one keeping you from getting fat in the cafe, the Muhammad Ali of knocking out CAD. Rumble, young man, rumble. I'm gonna show you how to stay humble. Boom, so we in the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all my grilled chicken breast tacos. Woo! Alright man, so boom. Now you know, we usually go with the extreme wellness wraps. Got them in another video. Decide to switch it up. You know, hey, just like you switch up your training variables, you know, every now and then, however you do it, you know, I might not do it the same way. You might not do it the same way. Anyway, you switch your training variables up. You need to switch your diet up too, man. Don't be eating this. You ain't got to eat the same thing every week, every month, every 6 months. So we switched up. Got the mission wraps, 100% whole wheat, 100% whole grains. Nutrients on them bad boys, 210 calories, 5 grams of fat, 34 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of proteins. You dig? Alright, so, boom. Refried beans. We get the Rosarita traditional refried serving of this, 120 calories, 2.5 grams of fat. I know y'all can't see that. 18 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein. Good stuff. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, boom, threw them refried beans on there. Smeared it across that mud. You hear me? Smeared it. Smeared them refried beans. Boom. Through that grilled chicken breast that we put on the grill over the weekend. You dig? You see it all seasoned up. Seasoned all for the right reason. Just don't commit treason. Stay CTF, baby. So we're going to flip that over. Well, we're going to throw that cheese on there first. Then throw them in the frying pan. Do you understand? Yeah. Can you hear it sizzling, man? Hold on. Hold up. Check that out. Can you hear it sizzling, man? Woo! Can you hear that sizzle though? That sizzle. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna let that sizzle on that side. You know what I mean? Not too long though, because y'all seen I just heated the chicken and the beans up. I just heated the chicken and the beans up. So the chicken and the beans hot. Then I threw it on there, threw that cheese on top of it. Yeah. I'm gonna let that sizzle for a minute. Then I'm gonna flip them. Let it sizzle on the other side. What y'all think about that fresh CTF hat though? The fitted. That fresh fitted. Yeah. That's it right there. That's it, ain't it? Yeah. This is just a test run. This is a test run right here, so we're going to try them out. You know what I mean? If y'all like them, man, hey, championshiptrophyfit at gmail.com. Hit me up. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that thing look good. That thing look good. Like a man's food That ranch will make them dance. It's always good to have y'all some of these around in your kitchen. Little souffle cups. Two tablespoons. That's all it say, man. 2 tablespoons. Alright? Don't be going overboard, man, pouring this shit all over your taco, man. Next thing you know, man, 100, cause you eating 100 grams of fat. Cause you want to pig out on the ranch. Get just enough to make them dance. Yeah. You see it though? You see that? You see that? What Taco Bell got on that, man? Huh? What Taco Bell got on that? You go to Taco Bell right now, that shit ain't gonna look nothing like it do in the commercial. It never do. That's why I put them on my shit list. I banned them. See, I'm gonna take this. Then see, I got my ranch right there. My ranch to make them dance. But see, now I need to wash it down with something. What I'm gonna wash it down with? Bam! A good serving of that cookies and cream gourmet MTS way to save the day. Get some of this right here, man. Let me go and give me some of this. Hey. 5 grilled chicken breast tacos. Actually, that's more like a quesadilla. Man, I'm spitting all over. It's a quesadilla, man. Protein. So remember, when God rested on the 7th day, still working.
You can't crack up under pressure, have pressure, you can't crack up under pressure, have pressure. You wanna be the best, you better get your mind right. Put yourself up for the rest, these haters in your hindsight. You can't crack up under pressure.